In front of me is OPPO A6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Start by launching ThemeStore app and selecting Home, Category or OMG at the bottom to pick a perfect theme for you. But you can also tap on the search bar and type in whatever you want to, like blue. Then select a perfect theme, hit apply, and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my theme was successfully applied. If you wanna go back to your default theme and find all of your themes you downloaded, go into ThemeStore again, enter main screen of ThemeStore app and select Me at the bottom right corner. Here, most people miss that you shouldn't click on downloads, because it's way easier to hit My Resources over here and select Themes section to see all of yours. You can tap on Apply on a default theme to go back to it. You can reapply any downloaded one, or you can delete any downloaded one by using this pen at the top right corner, clicking on it and choosing Delete at the bottom. Then confirming your choice in the pop-up. You will always be able to download it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!